Our today's experiment is determination of chloride limit test in magnesium sulfate. Now, chloride limit test, its principle is reaction of the soluble chloride present in magnesium sulfate with silver nitrate in presence of nitric acid. What happens? The reaction is sodium chloride plus silver nitrate. It produces silver chloride, the precipitation of silver chloride and sodium nitrate that present in the solution. Now we measure the turbidity of the silver chloride, which is a white precipitation of very small particle size, gives opalations, and we measure the extent of opalations, and the extent of opalation depends on the amount of silver chloride precipitation formed. So again, the amount of silver chloride depends on the amount of chloride present in the substance, that is the test substance magnesium sulfate. If it has more amount of chloride, more amount of silver chloride will be produced, so turbidity will be more or opalations will be more. So finally we will compare the turbidity or opalations with the standard solution, and that will give you the amount of chloride present, whether it is permissible, the limit is permissible or not. For preparation of test solution, we will take 1 gram of magnesium sulfate and we will dissolve it in 10 ml distilled water. That has already been done in the beaker. It contains 1 gram magnesium sulfate and dissolved in 10 ml of distilled water. This is your test solution. Now we have to prepare 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate, its molecular weight is nearly 170 gram. That means, you know that molar solution means in 1 liter there should be 170 gram of silver nitrate. So its amount required only 1 ml in the test solution and 1 ml in the standard. So we need only 2 ml of the solution. So we will prepare only 50 ml of the silver nitrate, 0.1 molar, and that for that preparation for 50 ml we need 8.5 gram of silver nitrate. This is the chemical balance. You may also use funnel for easy transfer of this. আজকাল খুব একটা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল আর হয় না হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি, তাই না? অন করা আছে না? Then you take first you take small amount of distilled water to dissolve it. Then you have to make the volume up to 50 ml. কিছুটা নিয়ে dissolve করে দিন। ঠিক আছে? Make up the volume up to the mark 50 ml mark. This is your 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution. স্ট্যান্ডার্ড সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড ওটাতে হচ্ছে মিলিগ্রামে 50 মানে 0.05845 58 বা 59 মিলিগ্রাম অবধি নিয়ে নিন সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড সলিউশন which contains 0.05845% weight by volume. So 100 ml for 100 ml you need 0.05845. We are taking 0.03 in 50 ml volumetric flask. So it will give you the standard sodium chloride solution. And we have to take 1 ml of this standard solution in the standard Nessler cylinder, which will develop the standard populations of silver chloride. ব্ল্যাক ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড পাবো পরে কালো কিছু আছে This is your standard sodium chloride solution in 50 ml volumetric flask. Now we will perform the limit test for chloride in magnesium sulfate. So we have to prepare, this is your Nessler cylinder, 50 ml Nessler cylinder. Nessler cylinder for test sample and 1 Nessler cylinder we will take for the standard solution. In the test sample, I have already told you that magnesium sulfate solution has been prepared which contains 1 gram magnesium sulfate in 10 ml distilled water. We will take this 10 ml solution in the test Nessler cylinder. We will add 10 ml of water. Then we will add 10 ml dilute nitric acid. Dilute nitric acid contains nearly 10% nitric acid, which is prepared from concentrated nitric acid. Then we will make up the volume up to 50 ml by adding distilled water in it. Then 1 ml of 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution will be given here. Now you know the soluble chloride which is present in magnesium sulfate, that will react with the silver nitrate with the reaction NaCl plus AgNO3 or any Cl, not only sodium chloride, if it contains calcium chloride or other chloride, magnesium chloride, anything. That chloride, soluble chloride will react with the silver nitrate to produce silver chloride precipitation. And what does this nitric acid will do? The nitric acid gives the acidic medium which activates this reaction, as well as nitric acid reduces the solubility of silver chloride in the solution. So you will get the total amount of precipitation will be coming out. Silver chloride will be coming out as precipitate. So you have to start the solution in the Nessler cylinder with a pure washed with distilled water washed glass rod, and you have to be cautious that any chloride, it should not come from the glass rod or from any reagent as well as any glass apparatus. Then you have to keep it aside for 5 minutes in dark place, because in presence of sunlight and in high temperature, this precipitation of silver chloride breaks into silver and chlorine. So then the turbidity or opalescence will be less. These opalations which is produced here due to the silver chloride precipitation, that will be measured, that will be compared with the standard opalations. In the standard test tube, we will take 1 ml of the standard sodium chloride solution which we have prepared by taking 0.05845 percentage weight by volume of sodium chloride. Then we will add 10 ml of water in the standard Nessler cylinder. Then we will add 10 ml dilute nitric acid. Same condition will create. Volume will be make up to 50 ml with distilled water. Then 1 ml 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution will be added. We will stir it with glass rod for completion of the reaction. The reaction will produce silver chloride, and we will keep it for 5 minutes for the completion of reaction in dark place. Then we will compare the turbidity or opalations with the test solution. Standard. Test Nessler cylinder, we are adding the magnesium sulfate solution 10 ml. Distilled water, এটা এতে আর কিছু ছিল না তো, জলই ছিল তো এটাতে। Then 10 ml distilled water is added. Where is dilute nitric acid? This is dilute nitric acid. Expiry period is 10 ml of dilute nitric acid is added in the test solution to acidify the media, which will facilitate the reaction with silver nitrate. Silver nitrate, this is 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution freshly prepared. We have to take 1 ml pipette. Rubber stop. This is a rubber stopper, and this is a pipette of 5 ml. Nessler cylinder, we have to take 1 ml standard sodium chloride solution here. আরেকটা দেখবেন তো 10 ml এটা আছে কিনা। So 1 ml standard sodium chloride solution is taken in the standard Nessler cylinder. We have to add 10 ml of water and 10 ml dilute HNO3. Now our both the Nestler cylinder is ready. One is test, another is standard. We'll add 1 ml silver nitrate in both the cylinder. silver nitrate add করেছিলাম করিনি তো One ml of silver nitrate solution in the test Nestler cylinder. So I was thinking at a dark place কোথায় আছে starting with glass rod, separate glass rod for the standard as well as for test solution. আমাদের গেতের জলটা নেই না এই ফরম্যাটেই আছে শুধু তাই তো বটলটা নেই ওয়াটার বটল মানে এটার মধ্যেই নিয়েছে Cream is made up to 50 ml. We'll keep it aside for 5 minutes in dark place for completion of the reaction.